Working President kaseng Kongres uba pensengan NSM uloong banakaliang ka Kongres dalileiru kanom kersan ya ka Sorkar MDA kabala penkentup lang ya ka parti BJP. Uba pensengan habakran sikilat pathai khubor uloong baka Kongres ka bodin ya ka mat halor ka CAA ka ILP ya ka jing pendrung ka ktin khasi hapo ka kernet ka bapra jong ka Constitution jong ka ri India henry ka parti hi kanom kersan ya ka Sorkar bakan thup lang ya ka parti BJP. Susu uloong ru baka Kongres kanom tre ban kersan ki parti gibla phel lupa ban ai jing kersan ki pajba henry ka deitang ka jinglei bodin jong ki MLA ka Kongres ya ki mat jing dawa jong ki pajba. Uba PNC uloong ru baka Kongres ya mentahi kanom tre ban yesno abat ki wei pat ki parti ban wan hakabor namar bakala dei lupa ka parti ka bahe hakajella bar hakarihi bro ka wei.
Yes, see, maybe as a follow-up on what the issue already taken in the floor of the House. It is the duty of each and every MLA of the Congress party to make the Chief Minister to make a follow-up on some important issue like CAA, ILP, Khasi language in the Ichitel. So the very intention of our MLA is to remind the Chief Minister what about the resolution passed in the floor of the House. That means that is not the support to MD government. We already remind them what is the status of the ILP, what is the status of the Khasi language initiative, what is the status of the other issue that it has been taken up in the floor of the House. That is not, it does not mean to give support to the MDA government. It is very wrong. The Congress Legislative Party will never give their support to the MDA government, including the BJP. We only stand together in the floor of the House on some certain resolution that are made concern for our people in the state. For small example, I think you remember that during the resolution passed in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly to urge upon the central government to grant, to consider ILP in the state of Meghalaya, we stand together in the floor of the House. Even the Dharmakula also during that time as the CLP, he stand together, not outside the House to give the support to the MDA government. I think you remember during the House when it is convinced for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the Ichitel, we also stand together, but we will never give support to the MDA government. Very clear. As long as BJP is very much inside the MDA, it is not appropriate for us to give a support to the MDA government. The floor of the House on some important crucial issue for the interest of our people. That are the few issues that were discussed during our meeting today.